WDBNK, and this is our first video. So what is WDBNK? It's a Luxembourgish blog. It's Wat de Bouwer niet kent, and it's about wild herbs and all the basics and vegan recipes. And people asked me if I could do something in another language than Luxembourgish because they didn't understand a single word. So, okay, yes, then here's the first video. It's going to be a recipe with nettles. They are so abundant in the garden now, and yay! So I'm always taking them like this, underneath those leaves, just the upper part. So it's really easy later on. You don't have to wash them a lot, just like rinse them. What I have here is sesame, hemp seeds and coconut, and I'm roasting them in a pan without oil, putting them in the blender. I add some coconut milk. Here we have some spices, some mustard seeds, some ground coriander seed, chili powder, black pepper, here's ground ginger, cumin, turmeric and fennel seeds, chili and Asafoetida, and also these guys. And I'm putting them in a pan with some oil. I add some chopped onion and garlic. I'm adding some tomatoes now. And the nettles. And I will add my sauce. Don't forget a bit of salt. So the stinging nettle is like really a local superfood. It has a lot of health benefits. There's a lot of vitamin C, vitamin A, there are proteins, there's calcium, and they grow like everywhere. So yes, great stuff. For the crunch, I roast some whole hemp seeds. So here I have some chopped peppermint and sorrel, and some edible flower petals, and of course a bit of tempering the roasted hemp seeds. So